sorry, you said that the 6, that whether I was there for 6 months or what was the offense that for which I was removed.
Yes.
I think President Obasanjo convinced himself that there cannot be bad story about him in any newspaper, except that it is generated by someone. That someone will have told the newspaper to tell that bad news. I think that's the environment in which we operated. So he and Atiku were boxing each other below the radar at that time. And you know, around power also, there is a lot of gossiping going on. It depends on the kind of leader you had. Otherwise, storytellers will come and say all sorts of things about people around him, undermining this, promoting that one. So in any case, I was the first to have been fired on the basis that the news magazine did a cover story for the week in which I was fired. Bayo Onadiga, yes. Yes. And Bayo had, anyway, is my friend. And I'm not sure anybody will accuse me of being the one who gave him that story. But they did a nasty cover on Obasanjo's government. And I guess people told Obasanjo that I was Bayo's friend, and I informed the story, that I gave the story. This is what I learned. And unfortunately, the agent who did this thing was somebody very close to me. I mean, the person's soul rest in perfect peace, because we have lost that person. So we were in Jos. We had finished from NIPS, Obasanjo, and so when we came back, they just called me. I was just resting myself at home. They called me, said, some friend from NTA said, we are going to announce your resignation tonight in 9 o'clock news. I said, which resignation? I have resigned. He said, no, but we have a letter saying you have resigned. I said, okay. So they announced it on television. So that's what happened. Ajayi said,